Before we dive right in, let's understand what the system restore point is. A system restore point is a backup copy of important Windows operating system files and settings that can be used to recover the system to an earlier point of time in the event of system failure or instability. It is a part of Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows Server. Now, let's dive right in. To create a restore point on your computer, click on search for control panel, open control panel, then click on system, click on system protection. Under system protection, you will see something like create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. So you click on create, then you type in the description for the restore point you want to create, then to add the current date and time automatically. So next time, maybe when you want to restore to a particular time, or you want to go back in time to where your system was or the condition your system was before the changes you make to your system, then you'll be able to know the restore point through the current date and time. I will show you how to restore back in time to the point where you saved before you make any changes to your computer in another video of mine. So make sure you click on the subscription button and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I uploaded new videos. So then in the description here, you type in, let's say something like before network reset, then you click on create. So now it's creating the restore point for you. It's creating the restore point for you, and it would save all the files and settings you have on your computer at this point, so that if by chance you make any changes to your computer and something went wrong, you can be able to backdate it or go back in time so that you can restore how your computer was before. So now the restore point was created successfully, so you can then close it. So this is how to create a restore point. Thanks for watching. If you want more of informative and precise videos like this, make sure you subscribe, share, like and comment down.